This is the blizzard of 2010.
What blizzard? Oh, this is so comfy. This is awesome.
We're gonna take a little tour here. He can't get out of the snow.
And this is how deep the snow is in the front yard.
Look at Mike's truck and what we can see of Brian's car.
Good God.
Now we're on the packed driveway up about a foot. There's Brian walking around his car. Are you sunk in?
Not all the way. Wait. This is how deep it is.
Okay. I'm
trapped.
Yes, you are. For quite some time. Alright, let's walk out here and see what we see. Mike's been up and down the driveway, so it's fairly packed. It's just like walking in a couple inches of snow. But as you can see, we get up to the road and we drop down about a foot. Have we got any mail? This is what, I don't know how this all will show, but this is
Oh, it's all back. No.
No mail. Surprise. There's the pole sticking out of the snow. That's to guide the snow plows. We can barely see it. Just the orange tip is sticking out.
Oh.
And
Don't eat that.
There's our house in the blizzard. Look at the drift up by the front of the house. It's clear up over what the steps would be. He's walking on top of the snow and is he watching you? There's the drift in front of the house. Walk back toward the steps.
Yes?
And you're still on, you're not going all the way down, probably.
No, probably not. Oh, this is so comfy.
Uh-huh. Well.
You have to try this.
Okay, I'll try it. Ooh! Oh, Lord. This is steps I'm walking in.
Just is away from the snow.
Okay, take a video of me. Or, I mean, it's still on.
Yeah.
I hope the snow doesn't. Just hold it. Let me get into a fresh spot.
Wait.
Oh! God, that's weird. Okay, that's enough.
Jeffrey, quit laughing at Mom.
Ooh! We almost dropped it. And And the goofball goes around the corner. Okay. You can see the tracks we're walking through. Mike came through earlier to get the steps cleared up, I guess. And there's Mike. Happy as a clam.
I love it. We ain't got enough yet.
What is Brian doing?
Chin up.
Now he's... I don't know what he's doing.
Standing up straight.
Standing up straight, right.
Oh, we gotta find a deep spot. Oh, have you been out front?
Yeah.
This is on top of this damn thing. Well, you still got this. This is where I'll pack it down.
Yeah. Ooh.
Hey, Brian. We're gonna dig out so you can get school Monday. Such a
Oh, my face is cold.
I know it's cold when you
What are you
face
gonna do?
into it.
Go your face. You said it was cold. I said, wait a minute, this is just like coffee.
You can set that down. Here, I'll hold it.
No. It might, I don't want to get too cold. Ass.
Just look out over the...
Oh man,
It's near whiteout conditions.
Ah! I looked under the snowball 3 inches from my face.
Let's see what we can see. How far can we see? We can see the houses next door. Oh, there goes a car. One of the few.
And that's how it throws snowballs at people when they come by. It's like,
Oh, right.
just do like that.
We can barely see the gray house down across the field.
Got a little board back there.
I'm just going to stand there and act like I'm going to throw them at when they come by.
That's looking back at Sophie's. Can barely make out the shadows of the trees.
Oh, Diane has to give her a compliment.
I have to commentate. Look at my car. That's a strange looking thing.
That's not a bad idea.
The rights are you?
There's poor little birds looking for food. And now we're gonna